Hello, retouchers. So, welcome to the day 7 of our 31 days high-end retouching masterclass 2026. And in today's class, we are going to work on this beautiful picture right here and also get it to be more beautiful, So, we are going to correct the skin tone. So, right, yeah, this picture is looking beautiful, but I don't love the tone, the temperature of this picture. Okay, so we are going to fix the temperature and also retouch this picture and get it to a chocolate and melanin skin tone. Okay, so stay to the end of this tutorial, and also if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel and follow up the course. Okay, so if you miss the day 1 to day 6, you can check my channel for it. Okay, so and we'll be making use of this my all-in-one retouching preset here. Okay, this preset has everything you need as a retoucher, as an editor, and a graphic designer. Okay, so by the end of this tutorial, you will learn how you can retouch and edit a picture like this. Okay, so first, let's duplicate this image. Command J or Control J. Okay, so second, we take it to camera raw filter. Remember, we really need to do some adjustments on the temperature of this image. Okay, so now this image is on JPEG, so some of the features in this camera raw filter will not show. Okay, so and we are going to adjust it by ourselves. So here, let's check what the temperature here gives us. Okay, so this temperature here, we have to take this temperature to blue a little here. Okay, so and these things here, we have to drop it somewhere here. Okay, and we move to the color mixer. Okay, so this color mixer here, under the hue, we drop it this way. Okay, so you can see how the picture is looking now. You can see how the picture is looking. Okay, so now I move back to light here, and the blacks here, I take the blacks down a little to give it some contrast. Okay, so you can see a bit different on how these pictures are looking right now. Okay, so I click OK. Okay, so right now we are going to retouch this picture. Okay, and to do that, this picture is on 8 bits. We'll be making use of the median frequency separation here. Okay, that is the second frequency separation under this my all-in-one retouching preset, the median frequency separation. So this type of frequency separation is with median blur instead of Gaussian blur. Okay, so we are going to use it to get this picture to be more beautiful. Okay, so click on the median frequency separation. So as you can see, the median blur here, it has loaded. Okay, so it pauses here to allow us to select the amount of the median we need to retouch this picture. Okay, as you can see, for the sake of this picture, 12 is okay. 12 is okay. So same what you will focus on. If you follow this class from day 1, the blur that will blur this picture, and also you can still be seeing the textures but not that visible. Okay, so 12 is okay for this picture. Click OK. Remember, we are using median frequency separation. Okay, so here right now we still pick a brush tool. Okay, the usual settings we use. Okay, so check the class 1. Okay, we are explaining all these things step by step. Okay, so the day 1 of this tutorial. Okay, so now if we turn off this our high texture for this media and the texture, we'll be seeing this picture this way. So we are going to turn off this texture and retouch this picture. You can still turn it on, okay? So, but let's turn it off and work on this style, okay? Like I told you, this 31 class, we are going to explore different way of working on retouching picture, okay? So you just have to circle, you just have to circle. So as you can see, we started from the shadow part of the picture. So when you are working on the shadow part, you remain on the shadow part. Same way, if you are working on the highlight part of the picture, you remain on the highlight part of the picture. Don't move the highlight to the shadow, and don't move the shadow to the highlights. That is the only way you can retouch to get the best results. Okay. So if I turn on this high texture again and do the before and after, you can see some changes there. Okay, so let's continue. The picture is looking beautiful already. Just you just want to retouch it and beautify it more, and that is your work as a retoucher. Your work is to beautify the already beauty picture more. So what I'm just showing you is that you can turn off your high frequency and work on your picture this way. And if you're working on your picture this way, what you will know is that the more the picture is blurring, if you are brushing it will be blurring. So if you are getting more blur, that means it it's working. Okay. And if you cannot master this way, you can as well turn it on this way and turn your texture and still retouch the way you see it. So either way we work for you. Okay, but I will want you to master at least more than one pattern you can use and retouch your picture. Okay, this is before and this is after. You can see the results. Remember, we are using medium blur. Okay, so now let's turn off again and continue our retouching. So this is the way you will go, and also always increase and decrease the brush size depend on where you are working to fit into the size of place you are working on. So when you are working and you turn off your high texture like this, the picture will be like this. You might not see everything you are doing. That's why you need to pay attention to detail. Okay. So always turn on the texture also in case you are doing a mistake, in case if you are not seeing clearly what you are doing. Okay. The reason why I'm showing you is that you see many retouchers, that's the way they retouch. They turn off the high texture. Okay, they master it that way. So I'm just showing you that it's possible for you to do it if you learn it, but it's not that you cannot turn it on this way and retouch your picture. So but it is possible for you to learn many many different styles on how you can retouch your picture. Okay, so now let's work on this side. Okay, so this straight nose, and let's turn it off again and continue our thing. Okay, so by the end of this tutorial, I believe if you practice this way, you can master how you can turn off your high texture and work on your picture, on how you can still leave it on. So you pick the one that works for you the best, but at least you have the knowledge of the two pattern. You see many retouchers out there, they will tell you that this pattern is the best for them. They find it easy this way, and that is how it is. Okay, that is how it is. Different people, different things that work for them. Okay. In Photoshop. Photoshop is very broad. There are many ways you can skin a rat here in Photoshop. Many ways. Okay, so and remember when you are retouching, always retouch according to the structure, the facial structure of the picture you are working on, the body structure. Just follow the body structure. So if you're watching this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell button. Make sure you follow up this class. Okay, by the end of this class, by the end of this 31 days high end master retouching class 2026, by the end of it, I believe you'll be a pro retoucher. Okay, so let's turn this on again. So you can turn it on as also and work on the place in case there is a place you are not seeing well if you turn it off. Okay, so I'm just showing you that it is possible. Okay, now let's check our before and after. Before, after. You can see that this picture is looking more beautiful now than before. Okay, so that is how you keep on checking and keep on working till you get to till you get it to your satisfaction. And whatever thing you are doing as a retoucher, always make sure when you are done retouching your picture, the picture will look realistic and more beautiful. Always make sure of that. Okay, we turn it on again. Okay, so now let's focus on the neck. Let's focus on the neck. You can see how we turn it off and on, and we turn the texture of our image off and on, and work on the face. Now let's focus on the neck. So same way, make sure that you move according to the structure. And when you are retouching, don't be in a hurry. Forget what I'm doing. I don't actually want this video to be that long. Okay, that's why I'm rushing, and I don't like fast forwarding my tutorials. I love you to see step by step whatever thing I did. I want you to see it because that is learning. Okay, so you learn from it. So if there is a mistake I did, I want you to see it so that you will learn how I corrected it. Okay, as you can see right here, you move according to always increase your brush size. Move according to the picture you are working on, according to the structure of the body. Okay, so let's check before, after, before, after. So before, after, you can see this picture has transformed a whole lot. That transformed a whole lot. Okay, more beautiful now and looking so smooth and not rough. Okay, so we just need to go around and check if there's a place we are skipping, then we fix it and move to the next. Okay, so before and after, before and let's zoom before and after. Okay, so as you can see, this picture is nice this way, this picture is okay this way, but we have to remove some of those harsh spots and harsh textures on the face. Okay, so we make the median texture, we highlight the median texture and make it active and pick our clone stamp tool. Then same way, we click alternative, paint from the good side and pick all those high textures. Click alternative, pick from the good side and release alternative and paint on the thing that you want to remove. And you pay attention as a retoucher also, it's not everything in picture that you remove. You got to know what to remove and what not to remove. Okay, so as you can see right there, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. Before, after. Okay, so this picture is looking beautiful, but this is not the end. We need to skin tone this picture. We need to dodge and burn this picture. We need to work on the teeth. We need to work on the eyes and we need to work on the lips. Okay. So, and to get the best of this picture. Okay. So, and I will not be doing that in today's class. Okay. I don't want this video to be much longer. Okay. So that it won't be boring. Okay. So this is day 7, okay, of our class. So just stay tuned for the day 8 where I will be doing the dodge and burn. Okay, I will show you step by step on how you can do dodge and burn and get the skin tone and work on these eyes and teeth. Okay, and thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for the day 8.